In this video, I'll show you how to schedule an email in Outlook. This is helpful when you want your message to be sent at a specific time, even if you're not at your computer. First, open Outlook on your computer. Make sure you're signed in with the right email account. Once Outlook is open, go to the top left corner and click on New Mail. This opens a new message window where you can write your email. Type in the recipient's email address in the To field. Next, write your subject line. Then, move to the body of the email and type your message as you normally would. Once your email is ready, go to the top of the message window. Next to the Send button, you will see a small arrow pointing down. Click on that arrow. A small menu will pop up. From this menu, choose the option called Schedule Send. Now, a new window will appear with some suggested times. For example, it may show options like tomorrow morning or next week. If one of those times works for you, you can simply click on it. If you want to set your own custom date and time, click on the Custom Time button. After clicking that, a calendar will appear. Choose the date you want the email to be sent. Then, on the side, you will see a clock. Use the clock to choose the exact time for sending the message. Make sure to select AM or PM correctly. Once the date and time are set, click the Send button. But don't worry, the email will not be sent right away. Instead, Outlook will hold it and send it at the time you picked. To double-check that your message is scheduled, go to the left sidebar and click on the Drafts folder. In the new Outlook, there may be a folder named Scheduled under the Outbox or Sent Items section. Click that folder to see your scheduled emails. If you see your email there, that means it has been scheduled successfully. You can also cancel the email or change the scheduled time here. That's it. Now you know how to schedule emails using Outlook. Thanks for watching.